In 2015, the Alliance Board established the Health Transformation Award to recognize individuals and companies who are working toward our mission of moving healthcare forward by controlling healthcare costs, improving quality, and engaging individuals in their health. This year, the award itself is transformed somewhat by focusing on the 4 core drivers that employers can use to get better value care. These include transparency of cost and quality information, network design, payment reform, and benefit plan design. Transformation often starts with a vision, determination, and a why not attitude. In this case, it began in 1991 with a part-time secretary working in occupational health. Over the next 13 years, Tracy Rothenberger would apply her administrative and organizational skills, as well as her vision and determination to improve the lives of her coworkers while helping her employer control their costs. Tracy began in occupational health at Seats Incorporated, soon expanding that program to include wellness and health promotion, and eventually opening an on-site clinic. She was then recruited to a sister company, Flambeau Incorporated, where she replicated and built upon that model, opening Nordic Private Care, or NPC as it's known. Through NPC, employees and their family members can get medical care, pharmaceuticals, physical therapy, massage therapy, and behavioral health care. It was really ahead of its time in terms of providing comprehensive, well-managed primary care. Employees and their family members are getting great care and report high levels of satisfaction. Flambeau has a healthier workforce and is controlling their costs. And now it's my pleasure to present the 2020 Health Transformation Award to NPC, Tracy Rothenberger, and Flambeau Inc. Joining me to accept the award are Tracy Rothenberger and Jason Sowie.
I'd like to say thank you to Cheryl and the Alliance for presenting this award to me. It means a lot to me. I have a very high passion and compassion for what the Alliance does for and with us as employers and helps us navigate our way to a higher and better quality of care.
What impresses me most about Tracy is that she continually applies herself. She's always staying alert and learning. And as she learns, she's finding ways for us to continue to improve our offerings and the way that we deliver our services through our clinics.
So today I'm at Merrill Steel with Matt Ort, who's the VP of HR and Medical Services. Matt has been resolute in his dedication to his employees, their company, and their health, and he's more than deserving of this award. So Matt has worked to improve the quality and accessibility of health for his nearly 500 employees and their families by, among other things, building an on-site clinic. The first iteration of this on-site clinic he quite literally built with his own hands. Next, Matt realized that many of the healthcare costs for his employees and their families came from services like MRIs, ultrasounds, and x-rays. What he did was quite unique. He purchased an ambulance that he turned into a mobile health clinic that makes house calls to employees' homes. This mobile unit provides accessibility to healthcare services to Merrill Steel employees and their families, as well as saving both Merrill Steel and its employees a lot of healthcare costs by avoiding urgent care and ER visits. Matt has become a leader in healthcare and in his community by sharing his knowledge and his advice with many other employers in northern Wisconsin. And the Alliance Board of Directors is very proud to present him today with this award. I will now invite Matt to join us here on the stage to receive this award.
Yeah, I'm very pleased to receive this award and very humbled that I was the one chosen. But I'm a big believer that when you achieve something, you never achieve it on your own. And there are many people that have been a big part of this achievement that have worked with me. So looking at owners and saying that we're going to have $100,000, $200,000, or $300,000 investment and not knowing how that was going to go was kind of risky, and it was a little scary. Turned out that we had our return on investment very quickly, but you don't know those kinds of things going in. So that trust and that support has been really big on our journey of healthcare.
The Wisconsin Health Information Organization, or WIO as it's known, is a data and information resource that helps us improve the quality and control the costs of healthcare. WIO includes de-identified healthcare claims data on 4.9 million citizens, or about 72% of Wisconsin's population. Using WIO's big data, we're all able to access the same objective source of information, paving the way for collaboration. Dana Richardson is the Chief Executive Officer for WIO, and under her leadership, the WIO team has developed an analysis to identify those citizens most at risk for serious complications of the coronavirus. WIO is making this analysis available free of charge to Wisconsin's health plans as one way to contribute to the management of the coronavirus. It's my pleasure to present the 2020 Health Transformation Award to Dana Richardson and the Wisconsin Health Information Organization. And now we're going to bring Dana in to accept the award and to tell us a little bit more about WIO.
On behalf of the WIO Board of Directors, all of the organizations that contribute data to the WIO, and all of those that use the data, I want to thank you for this very prestigious award. WIO was established in 2008 as a voluntary claims repository, or all payers claims database. The mission of the organization is to provide information to improve the quality, safety, and cost efficiency of healthcare that's delivered in the state of Wisconsin.
Today, the Alliance is proud to award this 2020 Health Transformation Award to Tina Hoig, Chief Financial Officer here at Advanced Laser. Over the past 5 years, Tina introduced Advanced Laser to self-funding and developed benefits that give accessibility to Advanced Laser's 160 employees to low-cost, high-value healthcare. Tina knew that healthcare starts at the primary care provider's office. So determined to reduce healthcare costs for her employer, her employees, and the community at large, she started working with other employers in the region to establish a shared site clinic. Tina has ensured that her employees and their families can have access to affordable healthcare by making routine healthcare, preventive prescription services, and diabetic medical supplies, even insulin, free of charge for all plan participants. Tina has been an outspoken leader in transforming healthcare and is an advocate for other employers looking to do the same by sharing strategies and advice at educational events here at Advanced Laser. Tina, on behalf of the Alliance's Board of Directors, please accept this Health Transformation Award.
I am humbled and grateful to accept this award. It's always gratifying to know that what you're doing is making a difference. But what I hope is that it makes other employers feel brave and bold to take similar steps to improve the outcomes for their employees as well. The one piece of advice that I would have for anyone considering an on-site or near-site clinic, just do it. Don't agonize over the ROI. Don't wait for the moon and stars to align. Just do good by your people, and the rest will take care of itself.